Today I'm going to take a second to explain the differences between a digital and analog hygrometer. We'll start off with the digital over here. These require a battery. They have a refresh rate of about every 5 seconds or so, so it's almost a real-time reading. These also have a temperature reading of Fahrenheit and Celsius. Batteries last between 2 to 3 months. They're fairly inexpensive. Once these are on, they're constant on. Let's see, we move on over here to the analog. These do not require a battery. They last indefinitely. They're pretty much a metal construction with a crystal glass face. They're controlled by this metal spring here, and that expands and contracts with the moisture. The spring is attached to this center post here. There's the center post there. As it moves this dial. Refresh rate on these is much slower. It could be between 4 hours and 24 hours. Advantages to these is they do not fluctuate dramatically with temperature fluctuations. I mean temperature fluctuation, you bring it into another room or whatever, and the temperatures fluctuate some. It's not going to change your hygrometer reading. However, on a digital, like I said, the refresh rate is very fast. So as the temperature changes, it's going to pick up that differences inside your jar rapidly. So if you want fine tuning, this is great. If you're just looking for nice storage, these are great. These are my personal favorite. They're nice and slick looking, as you can see. These are nice. These are very good for maintaining your products. Either one, they work great. They each operate a little bit differently, and it's going to be a personal preference. So there you go.